we will be starting integers. Although we have completed some chapters, previously we did mensurations, we did ratio and proportions, and we did algebra. Okay. So
Okay.
now
Today I had maths exam.
Okay, nice. I'll speak to you also, Ashwat. That's good. Okay. And today we will be starting integers, right? And we even have weekly test also. So this time you will be having your subjective test. Once we have subjective test and once we have objective test. So today we'll be doing integers, right? So, okay. Let's start. Let's begin the class now. Yes, Ashwat, you were saying you had your maths class today?
Maths exam, ma'am.
Yes, maths exam. How was it?
Fine, ma'am.
Good. You did all the sums?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you didn't leave anything in the exam. Any question? Attempted all the questions, no? Good. Was it easy?
No, ma'am.
No, it was
Tomorrow I
difficult.
have exam science.
What happened?
Tomorrow I have exam science.
Tomorrow is science. No, I'm asking about maths. Was it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's do now. So children, today I'll be starting with integers. Okay. The next chapter that we are going to do is integers. Right. So I'll share my screen with you. Okay. This is the chapter on integers. This is the content that we are going to study. But before we go with the book questions, I will take some things in the introduction part, okay? Okay, but before we start this, I'll take you to the introduction part. Let's do. Okay. Okay, Afan, you tell me, what are natural numbers?
Natural numbers, like if you give example, like explain.
Yes, explain with example.
Like I'm asking you to give, like I don't remember them.
No, natural numbers. Have you heard about natural numbers?
Yeah, I guess
What
somewhere.
kind of numbers have you heard about?
Whole numbers,
Yes,
integers.
integers.
Yeah.
And okay, tell me what are whole numbers?
Whole numbers are like 1, 2, 3, not 2.3, not 2.5, or 2 by 5.
Okay,
They are whole numbers.
okay. They start from which number? Which is the lowest number in whole number series?
0.
Huh? Which is the smallest number?
Oh, sorry. 1, ma'am.
1. Okay. And you said you have heard about integers also. What are integers?
Integers number above 1.
Yes.
Yeah, and they don't have decimal places, I guess.
They don't have what?
They don't have decimal.
They don't have decimals. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see now.
Ma'am, whole numbers are the numbers starting from 0 to infinity.
Okay. Okay, great. And what are natural numbers?
Natural numbers start from 1 to the infinity.
1 to infinity and whole numbers from 0 to infinity.
Great. Okay. Chalo, listen now. Now, before we start with integers, just a small introduction on numbers. Natural numbers are?
Numbers which start from 1.
Yes, numbers. Natural numbers are numbers which begin from 1 2, 3, 4, and so on it goes on. Okay, till infinity. There is no end to it. Right? Okay,
And
Irfan?
natural numbers are line ma'am. Don't have endpoints.
What happened?
And numbers are line ma'am. They won't have any endpoints.
They don't have any endpoint. Okay. Okay, Irfan? You understood what are natural numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So natural numbers start with 1, okay? And whole numbers. Now, what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are those numbers
Which start from 0.
Zero, okay? Which begin with 0.
0.
Keep this in mind, okay? Don't forget. This
Okay.
is the only difference that makes it different from natural numbers, okay? Rest, there is a series of 1, 2, 3, 4, and it
Yes.
goes on, okay? So natural numbers start from 1 and whole numbers
start from 0.
Okay? Keep this in mind. Don't forget. I'll ask you again.
Okay.
Okay. Now coming to natural numbers. Sorry, not natural numbers. Integers.
Then the numbers which are less than 0.
Below 0 and
Okay.
above 0.
Listen first. See, natural numbers we denote with capital N. Okay, when we have set of natural numbers, we denote it with
N, capital N.
When we have set of whole numbers, we denote it with
capital W.
And integers, in our new notebooks, we are learning that it is denoted with I, but some of the old notebooks, it was denoted with Z also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. In my book, they are denoted with Z, capital.
Z, okay, in some books, in old books, it was done with Z, but in some books, it's denoted by I also. Okay, so that's integers. When you have set of integers. Now, what are integers? Integers is that when you have numbers below 0, that means when you have negative numbers.
And above 0 also.
Yes, ma'am. They also come under integers.
Ma'am, they're called positive integers.
Positive integers and below 0 are negative integers.
Okay.
Ma'am, like minus one is the additive inverse of 1 plus 1.
Okay. 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 Now see, integers are those numbers which include 0 and it includes negative numbers also. It includes positive numbers also. It includes 0. It includes negative numbers also. These are called integers. Okay. So what is the difference here? Natural numbers start from 1. Whole numbers start from 0. Integers start from negative. It includes negative numbers. It has no starting point. It includes because when you move towards negative side, there is no end to it. Okay, as we don't have any end towards here, it goes on till infinity, right? So here also there is no end.
Ma'am, natural numbers and whole numbers are raised and integers are lines, ma'am.
Integers are
lines because natural number and whole numbers has one starting point.
So they have their ray. I got it. This ray which has a starting point. Okay, a line which has no end point. Okay, I got it. This is what you mean.
And that's why we draw number line in integers.
Yes. Okay, now did you understand, Afan, what are integers?
Yes, ma'am.
And others?
Yes, ma'am.
What are integers? It includes 0, it includes all positive numbers, it includes all negative numbers, right? That is called integers.
Ma'am, 0 is neither negative nor positive.
Yes,
0 is neither negative nor positive. It's neutral. Okay?
Yes.
So these are negative integers. Now, if I have to plot, if I say some number, I draw a number line here. The middle part is 0 here. In the center, I have 0. On my right side, I have all positive. Whenever you draw number line, on the right side of the 0 are all positive integers. The left side of 0 are all negative integers.
Negative integers.
Okay. Now, if I tell you to plot number 4 on the number line, how will you plot? Plot it in your notebook and show me. Plot these numbers in your notebook. 4.
0 plus 4.
Plot it in your notebook and show me. Draw a number line. Afan, can you show me on this number line where is number 4?
Ma'am, on the right side.
On the right side of 0. Okay, that is this. And where is 3?
It is on the right side.
Right side here. And where is -8?
On the left side.
On the left side. Okay, so if I write like this, -7 and -8 here. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
please plot these numbers in your number line in your notebook. Yes, do and show me in front of the camera.
Yeah.
And please make a notebook for maths, okay, so that whatever we do, you have all that work in one notebook.
Yeah, ma'am. Should we mark it? Should we mark the numbers on the number line?
Yes, mark them on the number line. Yes, Rishit. Yes, Rishit, I can see. Mark all the numbers on the number line.
Yes, ma'am, I marked.
Yes. Mark all the numbers. You don't need to make separate number lines for all these numbers. Mark on one number line. Like I'll show you 1 or 2. This is 4. This is 3. This is -8. And the rest of them you plot.
Man, can you see my screen?
Yes, Divesh, I can see your. Okay, Divesh, good. Yes, Rishit, I can see yours also. Great. Okay. Yes, Adrit, I can see yours also. Good, good, Adrit. Now, if I say, mark 5 more than 1. Can you mark 5 more than 1? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Afan,
Yes, ma'am.
wait, listen first. When I say more than means you have to
Addition.
add something.
Addition.
So when you add something, the numbers will move towards the higher side. Now, everyone, please listen here. Listen here, everyone, stop writing.
Yes, ma'am.
See the numbers, Divesh, stop writing. Numbers are increasing towards the right side.
Right.
This is the right side. This is the left side. Okay. So numbers are increasing towards the right side. See, I have 0 here in the middle. On my right side, I have all positive numbers. And when I move towards the left side, my -1 is higher number. My -2 is lesser number than -1. Then -3 is still lesser. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
It
-4
decreases and here it
decreases
increases.
towards the left side. Are you getting, children?
Yes, ma'am.
That
Ma'am, when
means
we to left side, it
exactly-
decreases. When we move to right side, it increases.
Yes. So whenever we have positive numbers, it's exact negative numbers are exactly opposite of positive numbers. Okay.
Positive numbers.
Suppose if I have 1 and -2. So which one is greater here?
-1.
-1, because this is on the right side.
Because -1 is in right of -2.
Right of
Yes,
-2.
yes. So whichever number is on the right side is the higher number.
Ma'am, or
Okay.
else we can take like which number is more closer to the 0 also.
More closer to the 0 or towards the right side. Okay.
Yes,
So if you take more closer to the 0, if I give you numbers 2 and 4. So if you say more closer to
Ma'am,
2
I'm
and-
saying only about integers.
Only about integers, no? You are saying about
Negative integers.
negative integers. I got your point. Okay. So always see whichever number is on the right side, that number is greater. Okay, so numbers always increase towards right. Okay, and numbers decrease towards the left. Okay, now if Afan will tell me, Afan,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me which is the greater number in this, -2 or -4?
Greater is -2
Greater is -2. Why?
because it is closer to the positive numbers.
It is closer to the positive numbers. Okay, but if it is not closer to positive numbers, if I take some number, some other number, -8 and -11, then
-8 will be bigger because it is still more closer
you
than
can say that this is towards the right side. Okay, you can say that if I have -8 here and I have some -11 somewhere here, then you can say among these two numbers, this is on the right side. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll ask you more on this. Okay, -6 and 3, which is greater?
3.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. I'll ask Ridesh now. Ridesh, where are you? Ridesh,
I think Hridesh did not join.
he has joined. Ridesh, why your camera is off?
I think he went somewhere.
Let him answer, Rishit. Ridesh. Okay, Adrit, you tell me.
Yes,
Adrit, which is greater number here? -4 and -12, which is greater number here?
ma'am. -4.
-4. Okay, because this is towards the right side. Okay, Sritej will tell me now. Sritej, and which is greater here?
Ma'am, -7.
-7. Okay, and if I give you any number, -6 and 6. Ashwath, tell me which is greater here?
6.
6. Okay. And Adrit, you tell me -8 and -11, which is greater?
Ma'am, -8.
-8. Okay. Sritej, you tell me -6 and 3, which is greater?
Ma'am, 3.
3. And you all know about greater lesser sign? The alligator's
Yes,
mouth
ma'am.
is always open
Yes.
towards the higher number.
Crocodile mouth.
Yes, crocodile's mouth is always open towards the higher number, greater number. Okay,
Ma'am,
right? Whichever number is greater, alligator's mouth will be open towards it,
open to it.
and whichever is lesser, the mouth will be closed that
Close.
side.
And which one is equal?
Just remember one thing: mouth is open towards the higher number, so automatically you will get the lesser number. Okay, no need to remember the lesser one. Okay, now I was telling you about more and less. Okay, if I say 5 more than 1, I'll draw another number line.
Ma'am, 5 more than 1 means we should point a number which is we should add 1 to 5.
Yes, I'll show you how to do on the number line also.
Ma'am, we
So
should
it
do
will be
jumping, ma'am,
6.
on the number line.
Yes. Okay, now Afan, tell me how will you see on the number line, you all know 5 more than 1. So that's
Yeah.
5 more than 1 is 6. You know, this is a small integer. Now, if I say 5, if I have to show on the number line, I will first step on 1, then I'll take 5 steps ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've reached that 6 now. Okay. In the same way, if I say 9 less than 4. Okay.
Ma'am, -5.
Please, please mute. I'm asking Afan. I'm not.
-5.
Please mute.
It will be -5.
Okay. Now,
We will go 9 steps
so
back from.
whenever less is written there, less means you have to move towards,
Subtract.
you have to take steps towards the left side. Okay, so this is 4. Okay, I'll use another pen for this. So 4 and 9 steps back. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have reached that -5.
-5.
Okay. So when less
Yes.
word is written, you will move towards left side. Okay. You will take steps towards left side.
Yes.
Whenever more is written, that means you will take steps towards right side. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, if I say 5 less than 2. Everyone please do it on the number line and show me. Do it on the number line and show me. Yes, Afan, please do it on the number line. See, Afan, 5, it's written 5 less than 2. So first you will step on number 2, okay? Like this is the number line, okay. I'll see afterwards, just a minute. I stepped on 2 first, okay? Afan, look here. I stepped on 2 first, and then I'll take 5 steps back. So that's, let me mark some numbers here.
Ma'am, answer will be -3.
Okay. Please don't speak the answer until you are asked. So I'm stepping on 2 first, then I'm taking 5 steps less. Less means I have to move towards left side. Is that?
No.
Yes, just now I said, whenever you are asked less, that means you have to take steps towards left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have reached that -3. So 5 less than 2 is -3. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now do one more. 4 more than -2. Everyone please do it on the number line. 4 more than -2. Where will you step first, Afan?
First, it's more, so we'll go to the right side.
You will move towards the right side. But from where will you move?
From -2.
Yes, from -2, you will move 4 steps towards right.
Teacher,
Good. Good, very nice. Yes,
Teacher.
Vivek, where were you?
nothing teacher, my camera, my mic was not
You were not
able to-
answering. Please try and put on your camera if your parents are around. Camera should not go off.
Okay, ma'am.
And you were not even answering. I was calling out for you.
Yeah, teacher, mic was not working. I was fixing it.
See, when you are
Right.
coming for the class, your mic, your camera,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, everything should be in a working condition. You
Teacher,
cannot give such excuses.
Teacher, my exam happened of 40 marks, and at the final result, in my class, I got 3rd rank.
Good, very nice. 40 marks out of
31, but actually the highest mark in our class was 34.5.
exam was of
See.
40 marks. You got 31. Okay.
Yeah, no, 31.5.
31.5. Okay.
Highest was 34.
Okay. So you're talking only about maths. What about overall?
Overall, teacher, two subjects 23, 23, 23.
Okay. In other subjects also, you must try to score more than 30.
Ma'am, 50%.
Okay. Try and practice. Okay, Ritesh? Do more practice of even other subjects also. That's good you've done in maths. But still, maths also requires more practice. You have lost 9 and 8.5 marks. No? So you should look into that. Where have you lost those marks? And whatever your mistakes are, try not to make those mistakes again. Okay? Okay. So what you got, Afan? Tell me the answer. 4 more than minus 2?
2.
2. Okay. Everyone got 2?
Yes, ma'am, plus 2.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay. Now see. This is, I'll give you some numbers now. If I say minus 3 plus 4, do it on the number line. Minus 3 plus 4.
Ma'am, I got minus 2.
Ma'am, 1.
Okay. You
Sorry,
agree
ma'am, minus 1.
So how will you do on the number line? You will move
To
4
right side.
steps towards right side. Whenever there is plus, you will move towards
Right.
right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So minus 5 and plus 3. Do this.
Ma'am, minus 2.
Ma'am, the answer will be minus 2.
Minus 2. Are you doing on the number line? Or you have done this chapter in the school and you're directly...
Ma'am, I'm doing in the number line.
Okay. No matter, even if you know this, it's not
Ma'am, I'm
that
generally telling about
Yes,
you have
that.
done this chapter in your
I am
class.
also generally telling the
Yes, ma'am,
answers.
Okay.
directly.
But still, sometimes the question comes of number line also.
Ma'am, in only in
teacher-
class I
Ma'am,
say
then
it
we will
directly,
see.
but in exam I'll do it on a number line only.
So
If
sometimes
it
in
asks
the
wait,
let
one
me,
and
if in the question you are asked to show it on the number line, then you have to show it on the number line.
Yes, ma'am.
Although you know the answer, okay, but you have to show the number lines. So sometimes it's asked like this. No matter, we'll be doing some sums without the number line also. But since this is the beginning now of this, yes.
Ma'am, in my school they have taught like minus into plus is equals to minus, plus into plus minus.
Yes,
is
that
equal
also will do. Sign.
Yes, ma'am.
Sign, those are
In our school, they
things.
taught like opposite signs, subtraction, and same signs, addition.
Okay, great. So,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
so sign rules also we will do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And now I'll give you, do this. Tell me, show it on the number line first.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Afan, please do. Do show me on the number line.
Ma'am, I got the answer as plus 4. When I did it directly, I'll do it on number line.
Yes.
Ma'am, I did it on the number line, I got 4
Okay, good.
plus 4.
Teacher, I also got 4.
Ma'am, second one minus 2 I got on the number line. Ma'am, minus 2 next one.
Yes. Ridesh, do it and show me the notebook. Yes, Irfan. Afan, are you doing?
Ma'am, the answer I got is 4.
Good, very nice. And do the next one, minus 6 plus 4. Do it on the number line.
Ma'am, third one I got -5.
Okay, good. Ridesh, please do and show me.
Ma'am, fourth one I got -4 on the number line.
You should not show your hands like this, Ridesh. Yes, Ridesh. You should never show your hands like this as you are showing now.
Ma'am, I did all the sum.
Good. Good, Rishit. Adrit, where are you? Ashwath?
Ma'am, I'm doing the 5 minus 10.
Okay. Tell me what you got for this. Minus 6 plus 4. Did you do on the number line?
Yes, ma'am.
What you
And
got?
I got -2.
Minus 2. Okay. And you did this 5 minus 10.
Teacher, I also got 4, first one.
Okay, good. Yes, Adrit. 5 minus 10 on the number line. Where is Ashwath?
Ma'am, -4 I got.
Minus 4. 5 minus 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashwath, tell me what you got the answers.
-4.
Minus 4 where? Which answer is minus 4?
5 minus 10.
5 minus 10 is minus 4. Do it. Again, do it on the number line. Do it nicely.
Ma'am, I did all these sums in the same number line.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
But when they asked in the exam, we need to do it in a separate one.
Yes, you need to do on a separate number line. Only the plotting part you can show on one number line.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
these kind of sums you need to
-5,
do
ma'am. -5.
minus 5. Yes. And what about this? 5 minus 5.
Ma'am, -4.
Okay, minus 4. Good. Okay, so now I'll tell you. See, now you know about addition on number line. Okay, and when we subtract on number line is
Teacher, I've done.
okay.
I've done.
Subtraction.
I've done.
Okay, Ridesh. Now in subtraction also on the number line you have seen. Okay, for subtraction we move towards left. For addition we move towards right. Okay, and same about when you are given more or less.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
see, I'll show you what are additive inverse now. Okay, but before that we have some properties of integers. Okay. Properties.
Ma'am?
Okay. Yes, I'm here. Okay. Now see this. The first property of integers says about closure property. Closure property. Now what is closure property? Closure property is that when you have two integers, suppose you have any two integers, I say A is one integer, B is one integer, and if I add them, A plus B, whatever answer I get, okay, is also an integer. Okay, right? This is called closure property.
Can I say again?
When I add two integers, the answer that I get is also an integer. This is closure property. Then
Ma'am,
next,
positive or negative integer?
whenever you add, it can in positive or negative integers. It is all are integers.
Yes, ma'am.
Either it is positive or negative. All are integers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So next is commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative property says that if you add two integers in any order, the answer will be the same. Okay, you can add integers in any order. -2 plus 3, or you can add 3 plus -2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
right?
And I have a doubt in closure property, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm like, if I add -1 plus 2, I won't get the answer in negative integer, ma'am.
So that is again an integer only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then if you get negative integer or positive integer, both are integers only.
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe we will get the same answer when we do like 3 minus 2 also.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now third property is that associative property. Associative property. Associative property is that when you add three numbers, okay, the sum of three or more integers are same even if the grouping is changed. That means if you have A plus B plus C, the order will be the same. Answer you will get, it will be same in whichever groups are made.
And
Okay.
just like commutative property, but in that we have only 2 digits. Here
numbers.
we have 3.
3. Okay. Then the next property that you have is additive
Can you
inverse.
say a little bit slower?
Additive inverse. Additive inverse is that,
Ma'am.
suppose if you have any integer A, you add it with some integers so that you get your answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, like additive inverse of 6 is -6.
Yes.
ma'am,
Okay.
Afan was saying
You add with integer with such an integer with which when you add you get your answer 0. So that means if I add A to any negative of itself, it will give me 0. If I add 5 to negative of 5,
we
I
get the
will
answer
get
as 0.
0. Okay.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
so I can say that 5 and -5 are additive inverse of each other. Okay.
And just
5 is additive inverse of -5 and -5 is additive inverse of 5.
I'm like opposites.
Okay. Additive inverse. Okay. Now next thing is that I'll tell you about
Ma'am. Hello.
absolute value. Yes, who is this? Yes. Who is this? Anyone wants to ask something? Absolute value. Now, absolute value is such a value. See, you know, these are two mods here. I have these two lines, mod. I call it modulus.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, yes.
Ma'am,
Hello.
this is Afan's mother here.
Yes,
Actually,
yes,
Afan
ma'am.
don't know these topics, ma'am. Can you please explain him once again or slowly? Matlab he's with the IG syllabus now,
I'll
so he
get
don't know
back.
these properties.
Okay, I'll get back to these properties. Once I explain just once, then I'll review it again. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. So this is the modulus here, right? Modulus is like, you know, it's a magic box. Whatever I put inside, if I put any number inside this, the number will come out as positive. Okay? Okay? So if I put -2 inside, it will come out positive
Plus.
2. If I put -3 inside, it will come out
Plus.
3 outside. If I put -3 plus 2 inside, so what will I get? Perform this. Okay.
3 plus -2, 1.
-1. So it will come out positive like this. Okay, so whatever I put inside, it will come out positive. This gives you the absolute value.
I'm like
If we put negative,
-2.
it will. Sorry, if we put positive, it will.
Now,
give
what if we
negative.
give positive integer?
Positive
Yes.
value will be positive only. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever you put inside, it will come out positive. It's like a
I'm
magic box.
Ma'am, can we write like 2 is the absolute value of -2?
Yes, but then you have to put these modulus signs. Okay.
Okay.
This. Okay, now I'll review the properties again. Okay. Now, be careful. Listen carefully. Yes, Afan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm there.
Now, yes. Afan, see, closure property. If I have two integers, any integer, okay, 3 plus 2 It says that when we add two integers, either it is positive integer or it is negative integer. Okay. Either it is positive integer or negative integer, any kind of integers, when we add, whatever answer we get is also an integer. Okay. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And when I do 2 minus 1 plus 2, so on minus 1 plus 2 means here I have minus 1 on the number line, and when I add 2 means I'm moving 2 steps towards right, 1 and 2. That means I have reached that number 1. Okay. Positive 1. Okay, you got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
So that means I have got an integer here, I have got an integer here. So whenever you can do with multiple sums. Okay, see here we have done so many sums. This is plus. The addition of two integers is giving us integer. Okay, addition of two integers is giving us integer. Okay, addition of two
Yes,
integers is giving us an integer. Addition of two integers is giving us an integer, right? Is it? Did you observe this?
Yeah, ma'am.
So
Yes.
this is about closure property. This is what the closure property says, that when we add two integers, the answer that we get is also an integer. No matter it is positive or negative. All numbers are integers only. Okay?
Okay.
You understand this part now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Others also, did you understand this part?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, clear.
Great. So let's move on to another part now. Next property, that is commutative property. Commutative property says that when you add two integers in any order, okay, order can be changed, A plus B or B plus A, the answer will be the same. Okay.
But for minus, subtraction and division, it will not be same answer.
And we are not talking about, we are talking on addition now. The properties on addition. We are talking about addition now. We are not talking about division and subtractions now. Okay. Okay, Bicha?
Yes, ma'am.
We are talking about addition. Addition of integers. These are properties of addition of integers. So, if we add two numbers in any order, the answer will be the same. Like I said, minus 2 plus 3 or 3 plus minus 2. So, same way, if we have to see in these examples, if I say minus 8 plus 12, or I write 12 first and then minus 8.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the first and second properties.
Okay, listen carefully. Who is this? Ashwat. Okay, listen carefully. The second property, commutative property, says that when two integers are added in any order, you get the same number. Okay, it does not make any difference to the resultant. Okay, the answer is the same. By which, see, when you either you add
Ma'am,
2 plus
first-
3 or 3 plus 2, the answer are same. Okay, either some numbers are positive or negative. So that does not make any difference in this. Here, like you have
Ma'am, closure property.
closure property is that the sum of two integers is also an integer. Okay, that means when you add two integers, the answer that you get is also an integer. Okay. Minus 8 is an integer, 12 is an integer. You are adding these two integers, you are getting an integer. Okay. Ashwat,
Yes.
you are adding two integers, minus 5 and 3. You are getting minus 2. Minus 2 is also an integer. Okay. Now you understand? Ashwat?
Okay.
Okay. Now see, commutative property is that if you add numbers in any order, the answer will be the same. Minus 8 plus 12 give you 4. 12 minus 8 will also give you 4. Okay. Now minus 6 plus 4. If I change the order like this, what will I get? If I write 4 here and minus 6 here, the answer will be the same, minus 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 5 minus 10. If I change the order of this, I write minus 10
minus 1.
plus 5. The answer will be the same. Yes?
Yes,
that
ma'am.
yes? 5 minus 9. If I write minus 9 first and then 5, will the answer be same?
No.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
The answer will be the
It
same.
will be same.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, Afan, you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Any
Yeah.
doubts in this closure property and commutative property?
No, ma'am, no doubts.
No doubts. Good. Okay, now next is associative property. Associative property says that when you add three numbers, now I have not taken any examples of three numbers because I'll be taking afterwards. Okay, I'll be going step by step. I'll take these examples later on. But for now, you just remember that when you add three numbers in any order, in any grouping, okay, either these two are grouped together or these two are grouped together, answer will be the same. Okay, three numbers I will take later on. Okay, I'll take some examples later. Okay, but for now you just remember, when you have these three numbers in any grouping, when you add numbers in any grouping, the answer will be the same, right? I'll move to three numbers later on. Now I'm doing with two numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Adding of two numbers. Now next is additive property. Okay, additive property is
Ma'am, like if we add two numbers, the answer should be 0.
okay, the sum of two. You have to choose two numbers such that it's when you add them, you should get 0. Okay, so those two numbers are called additive inverse of each other. Like suppose if I have 1 plus 1 and minus 1, when I add them, I get
Additive
0.
inverse of each
1
other.
minus 1 becomes 0. Okay.
Yes.
How will
Okay, ma'am.
I'll show you this on the number line. Like suppose if I say I have minus 2 plus 2. Now this is minus 1, minus 2, this is 1, this is 2. Now I had minus 1, minus 2 plus 2. Now I am on minus 2. I will move 2 steps ahead towards right. 1 step, 2 step. Where have I reached? At 0. So this is 0. Okay. If I have this 1 minus 1, I am stepping on 1. Then I move 1 step back. Okay. Because this is minus here. So 1 step back. So I've again reached at 0. Yes, got it, Afan?
Yes, ma'am.
Afan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'll take more example.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now see, if I say minus 3, I have to select such number which will give me on adding, will give me 0. Either on adding, either on subtracting. Suppose if I take 5 and some number
Ma'am, 3
minus dash
minus
0. So you have to tell me which
3
number will come
minus
here
5.
so that I get 0. So this is the number line. Okay, 0
For
minus
minus 3 plus 3 will come.
Huh.
And for minus 5 and then for plus 5 minus 5 will come.
Great. So here you are saying minus 5 will come. Here you are saying plus 3 will come. Great. Okay. You said it correct. Now you understand, Afan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you are clear with closure property. You are clear with commutative property. You are clear with associative property, for which I have not yet taken any example. I will be taking it later. Okay. Additive inverse. You are clear this? It's clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now coming to absolute value. Now absolute value is, when these are the modulus signs. Okay. These are two sticks here. Okay. But this is some kind of, magical sticks that when any number comes inside this, it comes out positive. When you put any number
Ma'am,
inside this, yes.
yeah, I know that.
You put any number inside this, it will come out
It
positive.
will come positive.
Yes, I put any number in this, either I put minus 100, it will come out positive. Okay. So whichever operation, even if I put sum like this, it will come out and the answer will come out positive. Okay. Now suppose if
Okay,
I put some number like this, 3 minus 4. So that is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. It will be positive. If I put
Ma'am, example, if we put a minus, like a positive number inside these two sticks.
if we put positive number, like suppose if I put positive number, positive is already positive, it will come out positive.
And that means absolute value of any number is positive.
Yes, absolute value of any number is positive. So this will come out positive. So whatever comes out of this sticks, magical sticks, it will be positive. You call out magical sticks, you call out magical box, but it's written as a sticks form. Okay, you don't make a box here. We write numbers like this. This is called modulus sign. What do you call it?
Modulus sign.
Modulus sign. In short, we call it mod also. Okay.
Okay.
In short, we call it mod also, but otherwise it is modulus. Okay. These are magical lines here. Whatever you put inside, it will come out positive.
Positive.
Okay. So, everyone, are you thorough with these properties?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone knows about these properties now? Great.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's do some more sums. Okay. So far, we were doing sums on the number line. Okay. Let's be on the number line only today. Okay. And tomorrow I'll show you sums without doing number line.
Okay.
Right?
Sure.
Because very less time is left for the class now. So without number lines, I'll show you tomorrow. Today, let's
Okay, ma'am.
do sums on the number line itself. So I'll give you some
Yeah.
more sums to do on the number line. Okay, please write.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm giving you something to write. Okay, please plot these numbers on the number line. 7 minus 8 minus 3 minus 5, 10. Everyone, please plot these numbers on the number line.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I plotted.
Good. Let others also do. You must always make number line with pencil whenever you are doing in the exam or in your fair notebook or in your test, even in the weekly test, you must make number line with pencil and scale. Okay? Never with pen. In maths, whenever you have figures, geometry, any figure, you must always do with pencil. Done? Okay.
Yes. Done, ma'am.
Now you can check your answers. See, where is 7 now? Tell me.
Ma'am, between 6 and 8.
Afan, tell me
Side, ma'am.
on the number line.
Ma'am, 7 is at the left side, but right side.
Right side, it's here. Okay, now tell me where is minus 8?
Minus 8 is on the left side.
Left side, here. Okay, now Adrit will tell me. Adrit, where is minus 3?
Ma'am, minus 3 on the left side.
On the left side here. Ashwath, tell me where is minus 5?
Ma'am, between minus 6 and minus 4.
Between minus
Left
6
side.
and left side. Okay, great. Hridesh, tell me where is 10? Hridesh? Hridesh, are you there? Aishwarya? Aishwarya joined late.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, I joined before, but I just left and joined from my tab.
Okay, but I didn't see you earlier. Okay, never mind. Aishwarya, tell me where is number 10 on the number line?
Ma'am, it's on the right side.
It's on the right side. Great. Okay. So now you know how to plot the numbers on the number line.
Yes, ma'am.
You will get such questions.
Yes, ma'am.
You will get such questions in your exams, okay?
Okay.
Even in your school exams.
Yeah, ma'am, I got such question.
Okay, now tell me what is the additive
Ma'am,
inverse.
for us also.
Tell me what is the additive inverse of 43.
Ma'am, minus 43.
Minus 43.
No, everyone should not say like this. I will ask you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now you have already said minus 43. So that when I add these two numbers, I get?
We get 0.
Okay. Now,
0.
okay. Now, no one will say. Only the one person I'm asking will answer. Okay. Afan, you tell me. What will I write? What? Give me the tell me the additive inverse of minus 151
Plus 151.
plus 151. Great. Good. Okay. Adrit, you tell me. Adrit,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the additive
I'm
inverse.
minus 350.
Minus 350. Very good. Ashwath, you tell me. Additive inverse.
89.
89 plus 89. Okay, Divesh will tell me the additive inverse of 47.
Ma'am, minus 47.
Minus 47. Okay, very nice. So this shows that you all have understood the concept of additive inverse. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the additive inverse of 27?
Minus 27.
Minus 27.
Minus 27.
Minus 27.
Yes. Very nice. Okay. Now, now do this. 11 plus, show this on the number line. 11 plus, or you can write it like this.
Answer is 3.
Wait. Huh.
Ma'am, it's 3.
Answer is 3.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can write it like this. 11.
Mama, I got 4.
Ma'am, I also got plus 4.
I also got plus 4.
Okay. You can write like this. See, I have not taught you now sign rule. I haven't taught you now. So let's take it like this.
Ma'am, but I did it in the sign rule.
You
itself.
did it. Okay. Never mind.
But
Okay.
everyone is saying it's 3,
Yes,
so I
because
did
you have done, no? There are others who have not done these chapters in the school. Okay, now you tell me, show it on the number line, 3 more than 5.
Ma'am, plus 5 or minus 5?
5 plus.
Ma'am, 8.
When nothing is
Ma'am,
written
8.
here, when there is no sign, it means it's plus.
Plus.
Okay.
Ma'am, the first one is 8.
8.
Please do it on the number line. Show me on the number line. Today we are doing all with number line. Okay, although you may know the
Ma'am, the second one is 0.
those who have done this chapter in school, they might know the answers.
Ma'am, it's 4.
Wait, I'll ask one by one. Adrit, what is the answer of this? 3 more than 5. Show me
Ma'am,
on the number line. Show me your notebook. Show me on the number line.
ma'am,
Bring it closer to the camera. Yes, I can see now. Okay. So this is 3 more than 5. It's 8. Okay. Okay, Afan, tell me this. 5 more than minus 5.
Yeah. 5
5.
more minus 5. Right? I was doing that 6 less than 2.
Okay, have you done this? 5 more than minus 5?
No, not a.
Do it and tell me the answer.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 0.
I'm asking Afan. Wait for your turn, please. Aishwarya, you tell me 6 less than 2.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is -4.
Okay, show me your notebook. Where have you done on the number line?
Ma'am?
Show me the notebook. I've told you to do it on the number line.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing the number line.
Hmm.
1 second.
Ma'am, answer. Back of the bag.
Okay. Okay. Right. Yes, Afan, you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. I've got the answer. It is 0.
It is 0.
Ma'am, the time is over.
Yes, who's this?
Ma'am, Ashwath.
Okay, okay, the time is over. Okay, never mind. So I'll give you some sums on this on number line. Okay, you'll get your homework now.
Okay.
Right, children? Afan, you will
Okay,
get
ma'am.
after 10 minutes, you will get your homework on the resource tab. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
So you must all do the sums on the number line. Today we have done all number line sums. So do it on the number line and your work should be very neat and clean.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Good
Day
night.
after tomorrow.